we are making a fortune teller. Easy peasy, so fun. Let's get started. All right, let's make fortune teller. I grew up calling them fortune tellers. I live in North Carolina, and here they call them cootie catchers. So we are going to get started. You need a square piece of paper. If you have a regular piece of paper and not a square piece of paper, hold on until the end of this video and I will show you how to make a square out of a regular piece of paper. But for now I'm using origami paper, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a fold from the bottom to the top. So you're going to make sure those corners match. If you have a patterned paper, make sure your pattern is facing up towards you and your solid color is on the bottom. Now I'm going to take these two corners and I'm going to match them to these two corners. There we go. I've got a nice crisp side. Now it's corner time. So I am going to take this corner and bring it to the middle. Just like that. This corner I'm going to bring to the middle. Make sure that you're not overlapping your sides. Leave a little space. See how I left a little space here? Corner to this corner. Isn't this cute? This could be just a envelope right here where you could send letters to friends. This corner to this corner. It does not have to be perfectly aligned. It's okay if it's not. Do want to have some of that gap. Okay, so I've got my 4 triangles and I'm going to put them face down on my mat. Now I'm going to bring the bottom of my square to the top of my square and match both of those corners. Just like that. Open it up. Do it again. So I'm going to take these two and match this side. This is just going to help you to get a nice fortune teller that's going to be easy to move. Okay, so now we're going to do the triangles again, just like we did before. Corner to corner, corner to corner, corner to corner, corner to corner. You get the idea. So corner to corner, leave a little bit of space on the edges. Corner to corner. Now I'm going to fold this right in half. So I'm going to bring my bottom all the way to the top, just like that. I can open it and fold it again. Okay. Doing those 2 last folds is just going to help you to get your cootie catchers started. Just like this. See how they just popped right up? 1, 2, 3, 4, and if they get caught in there, just push them down. 1, 2, 3, 4. If yours are getting caught, it's no big deal. Just give them a little more space. They just need a little more space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you could do is write numbers on these. And then on the inside, you can then draw colors if you want. So you could just put a heart. That's one color. That's red maybe. You could make another color that's purple. Purple hearts, stars, or just dots, whatever you want. Just get creative with it. Do an orange heart. And how about a green heart? So then if your friend says green heart, you lift it up and you can write a message there. Now if you want a lot of fortunes, you could have each of these segments with another color, and then you could have a message on each side. Let's see. Let's say it is your lucky day. You could make it inspirational. You could say things like, you are loved. Or you are nice. You could say you will win $1 million. You could do whatever you want. So then you go up to your friends and you say, pick a number. So if they tell you the number, then you move your hands that many times. I'll show you. So if your friend says 4, you will say 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you ask your friend to pick a color. And then they say red, you'll say like and subscribe. All right, let's fold this paper and make a square. So this is just a regular piece of 8.5 by 11 paper. I'm going to take the corner and bring it all the way over here. I'm matching this line on the bottom to the line on the side. So here I go. I'm matching the two lines, two sides, till they perfectly line up. Once they perfectly line up, I can fold the paper, and now I can cut this side right here, or I can just fold it and tear it. I'm gonna cut it. And now when you open it, you're gonna have your perfect square, perfect for making your fortune tellers. So rewind this tape if you missed that, and you'll be able to make your own fortune teller or cootie catcher and be telling others their fortunes before you know it. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time.